So today I'm unboxing a product that's been gaining traction with the PC builders and desk setup enthusiasts. It's the Wisecoco 7.9-inch Mini IPS Monitor. So it's designed specifically for system monitoring with apps like Ada64 and Wallpaper Engine. We're talking real-time CPU, GPU, and RAM stats, all displayed on a dedicated secondary screen. Let's take a look what's inside the box and break down the actual specs. All right, let's get into it. Let's see what else comes in the box. So first up, the display itself. A 7.9-inch bar-style screen with a resolution of 1280 by 400. It's a real IPS panel, not TN, so you get 178 degrees of viewing angle and better color accuracy even from sharp angles. You get a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable for power, and a simple user manual. So this upgraded version uses USB-C, which replaces the older micro USB design for improved stability and compatibility. The back includes mounting holes 75mm by 50mm, so you can install this inside your PC case or mount it externally on your desk. So setup is straightforward. Connect that mini HDMI to your GPU or motherboard and power it via USB. No drivers are needed, it's plug and play. For system monitoring, this works flawlessly with Ada64 sensor panel. You can fully customize the layout, CPU usage, GPU temps, RAM statistics, fan speeds, and even network availability. It also supports 180-degree screen rotation, so you could use it vertically if needed, ideally for compact builds or vertical layouts. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a dedicated HUD device for your PC, and it's coming in under 70 bucks. No software locked in, fully customizable. So if you're building a clean setup and you want real-time stats without cluttering your main screen, this panel is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. This is Miguel with another review from Torrance Tech. Take care, guys.